My most memorable moment.
Just turned around, put my head down, and paddled as hard as I could. Similar to being in a car going like 60 miles an hour and then flying off a cliff and down a waterfall into a river.
There's big walls of white water. I was holding on for my life on the sled.
It just put me straight down, and I just kept going down, 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 down.
The most terrifying moment of my surfing life. The world was spinning around me and was drowning in, at the very surface.
Water pushing like nothing else before I felt out there.